Hello, fellow veterans. Sam Kim here, your Marine Corps veteran, guiding you through the VA Claims Bootcamp. Phew! What a solid day 3, right? If you're feeling that momentum building, you're right here where you need to be. Let's do a quick mission debrief to lock in what you've already accomplished today, celebrate those wins, and get you pumped up for what's going on day 4. You put in the work and it's paying off. Let's review and ramp up. First off, we kick things off by making it official, filling out that VA Form 21-526EZ from start to finish. Remember how we grabbed the form from the va.gov? Yep, that's the latest version right there. And we also used the brainstorming worksheet to populate each and every section. We nailed the basics like your ID info, service details, and exposures under the PACT Act. Then the big one, listing your conditions in section 5 with those nexus stories pulled straight from your list. Whether it was tinnitus for artillery blast or secondary migraines, you turned your vague ideas into clear entries. And don't forget setting up direct deposit and signing off. Boom. Your claim is now a real document ready to submit. If you pause the video to follow along, pat yourself on the back. That's the foundation of getting paid. We also dove deep into preparation steps with winning formula. In-service event plus diagnosis plus treatment history equals approval. This isn't just a slogan, it's your blueprint. You audited your conditions using the worksheet, flagging gaps and strengthening your weak spots. No more guessing. Now you know exactly how to prove your origin, confirm it's current. No more guessing. Now you know exactly how to prove origin, confirm its current, and show ongoing impact. That self-audit, game changer. It weeds out the fluff, so you only find bulletproof claims, avoiding that endless VA back and forth. Speaking of avoidance, we tackled the circumstantial evidence death trap head on. Think of it as bringing receipts to the fight. And let's not overlook these hidden gems. Why 0% ratings are easy wins. We busted the myth that 0% means nothing. It's actually a VA confirmation of service connection, opening doors to healthcare upgrades and secondaries. I share my own bladder blunder from boot camp from 25 years ago. Yeah, that overhydration torture. Lesson learned the hard way. And how ignoring 0% cost me big. But you're smarter now. Log into va.gov, check your ratings, and use the audit sheet to prioritize upgrades with a direct line to service connection. That straight path, documented event to current proof, makes approval a lot faster and sets up massive rating boosts. My fellow veterans, day 3 was about turning knowledge into action, prepping smart, avoiding pitfalls, and filling out that form like pros. You got a stacked toolkit now, worksheets, checklists, and completed 21-526EZ. Great job staying in the fight. You're one step closer to the benefits flowing in. But hold on, day 4 is where it gets more powerful. Tomorrow, we're going all in and writing personal statements, buddy letters, and late witness statements. These are your storytelling super weapons, painting a vivid picture of what happened to you in service. Imagine detailing the IED blast or chronic exposure in your own words, backed by buddies or family who saw the impact. We'll break it down, how to write compelling, factual narratives that fills evidence gaps, strengthen nexus, and make your claim undeniable. No more vague claims. These statements turn your story into ironclad proof, especially for undocumented events or continuity. Get ready to unleash the full force of your experience. It's going to be epic and empowering. You've crushed day 3. Now rest up, review the form one more time, and gear up for day 4. We're building unstoppable claims together. You earned this victory. Semper Fi, and see you in tomorrow's lesson.